How to enable or disable clip adjustment in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and go to the edit page. Now, to enable adjustment clip, head to the effects library in the top left. Select adjustment clip, then drag and drop it onto a track above your clips in the timeline. This enables you to apply effects or color correction to multiple clips at once without changing each clip individually. It helps keep your workflow organized and makes global adjustments easy to manage. You can disable the adjustment clip by selecting it in the timeline and pressing backspace. This will remove all the effects applied through the adjustment clip instantly, restoring the original look of your clips. It's a quick way to turn off global adjustments without altering your individual clips. And that's it. Now you know how to enable or disable clip adjustment in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.